Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is an evening snack, chicken noodles cutlet. So let's see how to make that. First we need to boil some MAGGI noodles. So noodles are cooked well. I'm going to drain water from this and keep this aside. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, adding some finely chopped green chilies, ginger, and some finely chopped onions. Saute it well until it gets slightly cooked. Adding some beans, finely shredded carrots, for masala I am adding some chili powder, chicken masala powder, garam masala. Instead of chicken masala you can use the same MAGGI masala, but I like the flavor of chicken masala, that's why I am using this one. Mix well. Adding cooked and mashed potato. And some cooked and shredded chicken. Finally I am adding cooked noodles. Gently mixing it. Let it cool well, and after that we can prepare cutlets out of it. Take some portion out of the dough, shape it like a cutlet and dip this in an egg wash. Roll it on the breadcrumbs. Prepare all the cutlets like this. Refrigerate this for 15 minutes and after that we can deep fry this. Fry this until it turns into brown color. Cutlet is ready here. Do try this recipe and let me know your comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.